Welcome to Mimi Daily English. We invite you to come and learn with us.
Mom, Dad, can we play here for a while? Please, it looks so fun in there today.
Okay, but play nicely and stay together.
We have enough coins for many games. Let's play the fish shooting game first. No, I want to play the VR game first. Let's play basketball. Whoever wins gets to choose the game.
Okay, I will defeat you, Mimi, I'm sure.
That still doesn't feel very fair to me. Leo, that boy was also watching us earlier, right? Yes, I think he was standing near me before. Oh. I found one coin down here. Maybe he wants to play, but has no coins. Why don't we ask him to play with us? Hi, do you want to play together with us? I don't want to bother you. It's okay, we can take turns together. Really? Thank you. I would like that. Let's try for that teddy bear first. I'll go first and try very carefully. Oh no, it almost caught the bear. Oops, mine was even worse than yours. I really hope this one works for me. We still have a few more chances left. Don't give up yet. We can still do it. Let's try it again. There is only one coin left now. Mimi, I think this last turn should be yours. Okay, I'll do my very best now. Come on. Hold on. Please grab it this time. Oh my God! We did it! This is the luckiest grab of the day! This one should go to you first. Thank you. I really wanted this bear. Now everyone gets a happy prize today. Mom and Dad are going back, Mimi. Thank you both. I won't forget this. Now, I have to leave. Bye-bye. Bye! I am glad we played together.
Oh, what happened here while we were gone?
So where did these teddy bears come from?
We used the last coin and got 2 bears.
And who was the boy playing with you?
He wanted to play, but he had no coins. So we shared our coins and played together.
That was a kind and loving thing to do.
That was a small win, but a meaningful one.
Joy grows bigger when we choose to share.
Helping someone can be the best prize of all.
This was more special than just winning a game. Mommy, can I hold the tickets? Please?
The movie is starting now. Oh no! Where are the tickets?
Leo, you had the tickets. You lost them, right? Me? No way! You are the villain today, Leo.
Wow! Ho! Popcorn is ready. Who is excited for the movie?
Me! I love superheroes. Pew pew. I am very excited. The trailer was great. Mommy, can I hold the tickets? Please?
Let's look at the posters while we wait. Ding dong. The movie is starting now. All right, everyone, this way. The toy maker's dream is about to begin. It's time. Let's go in, everyone.
Let me check my pockets. Oh no! Where are the tickets? I can't find them. They are not here.
What? Are you sure? Let me check too. Where are they? This is strange.
I checked everywhere. Oh my goodness.
Oh no. The movie is starting soon.
Everyone, look on the floor! Hurry up!
I don't see them on the floor.
They are gone. We lost them.
Wait a minute. Leo, you had the tickets. You lost them, right? Me? No way. Yes way. I saw you, Mr. Forgetful. I gave them to Mommy. I am a good boy. You put them in your tiny pockets and dropped them. Look, no tickets, only a candy wrapper. Oh no. Now we can't watch the superhero movie. You are the villain today, Leo. I am not the villain!
Okay, you two. Stop fighting. Nobody is a villain here. We just need to find them.
Okay, Daddy. But, Bawanayan, why worry about me? He is still a little bit suspicious.
Let me check my long wallet again. Oops!
Wow. The tickets. They are hiding here.
Oh. Here are the tickets, Mommy.
Okay, my darling. Wow, that trailer is cool. It wasn't Leo. It was me. It was me. I put them in the wallet. sorry, my sweet boy. Mommy forgot today.
Oops. I am sorry too, Leo. You are not the villain. You are a good boy. Super Leo forgives everyone.
All right, family. The movie is starting now.
Yahoo! Are you ready for the best day ever? Come on, let's go get some popcorn and find our seats. The previews are starting soon.
If you lose them, don't panic. Look carefully, and please don't blame others.
And if you make a mistake, that's okay. Just remember to say sorry.